up. Oh, snap. Oh! That takedown though, bro. Oh, Lord. Hold on, April. I forget what we were talking. Hey, tell Dylan to come to the picture. Yo, I got a fish, a big one. Very damn rod. I don't even remember what I put on this dude. I think I put a head on him. Oh, Lord. He's pissed. Man, he buried that rod. That's that meat in him. Oh, I got you. Oh, no. Did y'all see that? Did you see that? Did you see that pole get hit? I didn't see it get hit hardly. I mean, I didn't see it till it was doubled over. I thought the green one was getting hit, y'all. Yeah, I gotta get a better net on it. Different with a smaller webbing. Hold on, Bubba. Oh, he got good, dog. He was not coming off. No, man. He wasn't coming off. Hey, Big Rob, are you in here, big dog? Hey, Lee. This is fishes for you, Sweet Pea, you and Dylan. Dude, look, it went in and not there.
Yes, sir. It's a circle hook to work, bro. Nice fish. Oh.
He'll hook himself again. Dang it, dude. Stay up. And look, the little 8. He got him a nice piece of bait. He burping on that big piece of bait. Say what's up, y'all. It feels good. This is my first fish in a long time off my boat, y'all. Woo, doggy. Feels good. I'm not gonna weigh him. He's not my PB. He's probably about 20, I would say. My bad. I was playing. I should have been playing. My bad. That probably hurt him. Heck yeah, man. He's a good fish, y'all. He's a really pretty fish. You say hi, Anna Lee. Hey, Dylan. We're going to put him back, y'all. We had enough fun with him. Woo, doggy. He did bury that rod, bro. I just had to look and I didn't see the orange. I did too. When I grabbed it and pulled it at first, he was just fighting. He got it and took off, man, bro. Big Rob with the hippie rig, hippie cat for hippie rig, y'all. Like that, y'all. These are the rigs we made up. This is an all-star setup on just this leader line, y'all. From that 3-way all the way down to the hook. Big Rob, fishing hook, Rat 10 from Ohio River Rats. Go check them out, man. Rat 10, I think, is his code. Ohio River Rats. Monster rod holder floats. And of course, we have the, of course, this is just a, a fish clip, you know what I mean, whatever. But we followed it with the Flow Go sinker. And that's the rig, y'all, on a 3-way. You tie that main one to that, you'll get all this. We're working on them, man. man. Slow